Minister of State Brishaketu Debbarma visited Matia village under Hezamara RD Block on Tuesday and helped the orphan children. TTADC EM Ravindra Debbarma was present along with him. Ishan Debbarma and Zora Debbarma from Matia village under Hezamara RD Block were left alone in this world by their parents when they were younger, which is why they have been living with their grandparents. As soon as this news came to light, Minister of State Brishaketu Debbarma bought all the necessary things and sent to their house during the election. At the end, Minister of State Brishaketu Debbarma visited Matia village under Hezamara RD Block on Tuesday and helped the orphan children. TTADC EM Ravindra Debbarma was present along with him.
Chini Hezamara Block Bishin Khobzak, Chini Ramsokor Bishi, Bongnio Paranimung, Matia Siblena, Matia of Hizak, Chini Taho Khorang Omol Debbarma Bini Busa Khorang, about Hizaka, Hanai Charpasma Segang no Trimani, Nkay Borokni Agi Serepron Boni Ama Buma. Original Trika, Bini stepmother, Bobo Borneo, Kibik Lankati, Nog the Jotomani, Kuni, Chukiro, Maninde, Karai, Tigarambokai, Mairango, Hat, Bisnaro Joto Lang Tambaki and Kaboro, the Rekin, Tonga, Besepi Bagri, Sintini Borungang, EM Sarbai, Boninogo, Halejak, Boninogo, Sintini Koroni Miliwi Ozaga, Boni Ombol Rock, Bisna Shador, they Sini. Ozaga Tola Bozak Nai Lam Thairo Borno Pai Kalankate, Abon Second election Solitong New Code of Conduct me, Sing Palia Fru, Boni Bagi de Karai, Mairang Rock, Haru Rock, Zenamani, Apruno Pairo Horzak, Kaitabu Boni Porasonani, Vepar, Keboro Zetu Seraiko, Gay Borokno, Kusuno, Kanano, Hostelo, Rohone Katlamara School. Azaga admission kay hostel nete okra kay jehetu 9 pori tong akhale sara high school kay azaga no apato tongra thung azaga bini taklai registration ro khlainai kay bongni future bongni bobishoto sing yem sabakini sing nailainai jate bongni kunu kebe muta phaitung bongni tuition fees theke singni sing abo joto biar khlainai kay borok tabuk tur bin nana sung bongni nokhlaw tongo bin nana song bormi kisa kuzunai hero bin nana song bo soriro asu hamia abun bagi sing bormi logi tongnai sing jehetu kubun jagarago thangse help khaiman onge mo jehetu chini area sing borok help khainai engkai borni je thinango je problem phaiman ajagarago sing borno subaso khlainai bongni sori hamia rogo tangkai bongni admission engkai readmission rogo sing borno subanai Gay hostel logo, sing Waishu Sini Ozaga Borog Riklangjak, local guardian hisabe sing Borog Tongnai, Gay Borno Bishingti, sing Borno Naikani Klainai, Gamahake, sing Joto Lukro, no coinam, Sumazara Subanam Sumedo, Subaimano, Gay 9 minutes Chukiro, Richa, Sing Chukiro Bonibagi, Pinani Bagi, sing site of night. Gay Bindara Noble, sing Sinkabo, Bindarabo, Hostelo, Hanamusuka Tangimano. Tabu borok kunino tong laijao ka bin nana sung kijaku suba bin kaka bin bahana zu khorosa tongo abo buni no thangja kini khnao borno kai sung manyak.
Minister of State Brishaketu Debbarma and EM Ravindra Debbarma on this day said that they will support the children financially in their education. Reported by Animes from Hezamara, Chini Khorang.